Hello, so I'm going to show you how to use your full 9-piece CTreasure skincare set. So first I want to tell you a little bit about our skincare line. So it is caviar based. Caviar is really going to help with maintaining the health and condition of your skin in between getting medical grade treatments. Caviar is really great for building back hyaluronic acid in the deeper layers of the skin, but you also have amino acids, ceramides, peptides, omega-3, 6 fatty acids that will help with maintaining that skin health. Now, the first step you want to start out with is going to be the micellar rose water. Now, the micellar rose water, this one you can use as a pre-cleanse or a makeup remover. You have 2 extracts from the rose. So you have geraniol, this is going to kill acne-causing bacteria. Citronelle, this is going to keep your skin nice and hydrated. You have marine-based ingredients like pearl extract, which is going to brighten, seaweed laminaria, which is going to maintain the skin health, provide your skin with amino acids. Now, this one also contains oil micelles. So the oil micelles are going to attract excess oils, dirt, bacteria, trapping the pores, as well as makeup without overly drying out the skin. The next step is going to be your cleanser. Now the cleanser, you can use this one morning and night. Super gentle for the skin as it is pH balanced, so it's not going to dry out the skin that a lot of harsh cleansers do. With this one, you have 2 amino acids. You have undeclinic as well as glycine. These are going to go ahead and break down excess oils, dirt, bacteria from the skin. But again, it's not going to dry out your skin because it does contain fractionated coconut oil, which is going to help with hydration without clogging the pores. And then again, pearl extract to help with brightening the skin. You also have Oda beta glucan. This is going to keep your skin nice and hydrated as well. So after the cleanser, you're going to go in with a once a week routine. So you're going to do your thermal deep cleansing mask first. Now, the thermal deep cleansing mask is gentle enough to use 1 or 2 times a week, but this one has magnesium sulfate. Now, you're going to activate it with cold water. You're going to feel it start to heat up on the skin. Now, the heat, what it's actually doing is helping open up the pores. You also have activated charcoal, which is going to detox the skin. And then you also have refined sugar grains that are going to actually gently exfoliate the dead skin cells, while at the same time the magnesium sulfate is going to melt down those sugars to help with hydration. You also have apple stem cell formula. This is going to help with replicating new and healthy skin cells, helping with cell turnover, anti-aging, collagen, elastin production. So this will definitely help with fine lines and wrinkles. And then again, it is caviar based. So you're still getting the benefits of caviar. Again, hydration, but maintaining the skin health. After that one, you're gonna go in with the hydration boost mask. Now this one is a really creamy, thick mask. It's actually a mud mask. The mud comes from the Dead Sea, so it's mineral rich, but this is really gonna help with detoxifying the pores, getting rid of those excess oils in the skin. But what's great, it's not going to overly dry out the skin as it does contain hygroscopic sea salts that will help with maintaining moisture capacity within the skin. You also have aloe vera leaf juice. The aloe is going to help with inflammation. It also is going to help with redness in the skin. And then again, we do have antioxidants like algae extract and seaweed laminaria. And then you have your eye creams. So you have your collagen booster eye serum. Now the eye serum, this one I like to use in the morning as it's lighter weight. It has arginine peptide, which is a tetrapeptide with 4 amino acids. This is going to actually work with the nerve to muscle function. So over time, it does relax those muscles, really good for tightening, firming, smoothing around the eye area. It also has plant stem cell formula, which is again going to help with cell turnover, anti-aging, vitamin E, which is going to help with hydration around the eyes. And then at night is gonna be your illuminating eye cream. Now the illuminating eye cream is a little bit of a thicker consistency, so that's why it's really great to use at night. It does have caviar extract in it, vitamin A, which is gonna help with cell turnover, as well as that pearl extract to brighten the skin. And then you have, of course, last but not least, your day cream and your night cream. So the day cream you're gonna use in the morning, right underneath your SPF. Now the day cream, it does have that caviar extract. You also have shea butter, which is gonna help with softening the skin, smoothing the skin texture, as well as algae oil. You also have encapsulated vitamin C. So you're gonna see inside there are little tiny capsules. Those little capsules actually contain around 2 medium-sized oranges of vitamin C. So this is gonna keep it actually a little bit more potent. When you're rubbing it into the skin, those capsules are gonna break open, helping with, again, providing your skin with vitamin C. This is really great for brightening, fighting against free radical damage. And then we also give you a little scooper. So the scooper that we give you, it helps you budget your products, so you're not overusing products. You only need a little bit does go a long way. And then it also helps with not cross-contaminating and getting bacteria in the jars. And then I also want to show you too, right here in the back, it does tell you how to use it as well in case you forget. And then we also give you a brochure. It does tell you exactly how to use your products step by step, morning, night, once a week routine, and exactly how to apply your products too.